Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nosobioma Chupo. In today's topic, I'll be teaching about breastfeeding and physiology of lactation. If you're watching me for the first time, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you. Okay, I'll be teaching on the anatomy of the breasts, lactational hormones, physiology of lactation, and the milk leg down reflex. Talk about the anatomy of the breasts. The breast is a mammary gland which consists of lobes and lobules, which connects to form the milk ducts that carries breast milk to the nipples. Let's pick them one after the other. The skin. The skin of the breast is similar to every other skin in the body, in the human body. Then we have the milk producing gland, which is the alveoli. So we have the milk producing gland, which is the alveoli that consists of lobes and lobules, which connects to form the milk ducts. The milk duct then carries the milk to the nipples. The nipples is at the central parts of the breast. The nipples is at the center of the breast with several duct openings. Then we have the areola, which surrounds the nipple. Then we have some layer of fats under the skin, which are in between the lobes and the milk ducts. So let's talk about the lactational hormones. We have two hormones that are responsible for lactation. One is the prolactin, that's the milk producing hormone, and oxytocin. We also have the oxytocin, which is the milk ejection hormone. So let's talk about the glands that are responsible for producing these lactational hormones. One of them are the hypothalamus. Once the baby suckles on the nipple, it sends signal to this part of the brain, which is called the hypothalamus. Then the hypothalamus then sends signal to the pituitary gland. The anterior pituitary gland is responsible for producing prolactin, while the while the posterior pituitary gland is responsible for producing the oxytocin. The prolactin works on, you can see in the diagram, the prolactin works on the lacteals, which are the cells. Okay, these lacteals are the cells that are found in the alveoli that are responsible for producing milk. Why the oxytocin produces Why the oxytocin works on the myoepithelial cells that surrounds the lobules that helps in milk ejection. So let's talk about the physiology of breastfeeding. Let's start with the hormone stimulations. These hormones are stimulated from the baby suckling the nipples. It can cause the result of emotions, in the sense the mom may be thinking about the baby, or the baby might be crying, or the baby touching the nipples. These hormones can be stimulated. So the hormones being stimulated, it goes to the hypothalamus, which is the part of the brain responsible for this physiology. So from the hypothalamus, it sends signal to the pituitary gland. So from the hypothalamus, it sends efferent impulses to the anterior and posterior pituitary gland. So the anterior pituitary gland secretes the prolactin, which stimulates milk secretions by the cuboidal cells in the breast. Alright, the posterior pituitary gland secretes the oxytocin, which results in the contraction of the myoepithelial cells in the alveoli, forcing milk into the larger ducts. This reflex is called the leg down reflex. So I hope you understand the physiology of breastfeeding.
So let's talk about the positive feedback mechanism of lactation. It's also as a result of the initiation of the stimulus, either the baby suckling the breasts, or from emotions from the mother, or from any external stimulus like touching of the nipples or the areola. Then this sensory reception in the skin of the breast detects the suckling sends impulses to the hypothalamus. Then the hypothalamus signals the pituitary gland to release oxytocin. So the oxytocin causes the muscles, which are the myoepithelial cells in the breast, to contract. As it contrasts, the breast milk is ejected out.
The breast milk is ejected out of the milk ducts, and then your baby suckles this milk. This is known as the positive reflex, which is also known as.
Which is also known as your milk let down. Thank you so much.
Please, if you like this video, subscribe, like, and share. Comment at the comment section what you would like me to teach next. Thank you.